A shocking court filing was made public this week, revealing that at least 2 separate staffers with Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, before it was disbanded months ago quietly, had apparently been working with a right-wing organization that is attempting to overturn the results of the 2020 election. Even though that was more than 5 years ago, they're still working on it. And DOGE, according to the U.S. Department of Justice, likely leaked sensitive information from the Social Security Administration to this right-wing group. Let me read you this. The latest filing reveals that DOGE shared data on unapproved third-party servers with the potential to access sensitive information activity that had been blocked by the courts. So the courts had already told DOGE, you can't use this third-party app. You have to use the official government-approved avenues to share data. But these little incels that were working with DOGE said, we don't care. We're not going to comply with a court order. That's illegal. Members of the DOGE team use links to share data through the third-party server Cloudflare, according to the Justice Department itself. So that's the DOJ admitting, yeah, courts told us not to, they did it anyway. That's illegal. And while the agency insists that DOGE never had access to Social Security's systems of record, some of that restricted data derived from Social Security systems was shared with a senior advisor to Musk's team, according to the Justice Department. Steve Davis, a Musk ally who worked with DOGE, was included in an email from March 2025 that included a password-protected file containing private information belonging to roughly 1,000 people in Social Security systems, the DOJ said in the court filing. It is unknown at this time whether any private information was accessed, according to Justice Department official Elizabeth Shapiro. So you said that definitely no data was accessed. Then you said the data was definitely shared. Then you said, we don't know if anybody got it, all in the same filing. Wow. That's 3 different things, none of which can all coexist together. They totally didn't share it. They absolutely shared it. We don't know if anybody accessed it, but this guy totally had access to private, sensitive Social Security data that may have been shared, that's what this lawsuit is kind of about, with this right-wing organization seeking to overturn election results. And yes, by the way, in this lawsuit that is still ongoing and has been for many, many months now, it was revealed that there are emails and other communications between the right-wing group and at least 2 of these DOGE staffers, where one of them literally signed an agreement to share the data. Sharing your private Social Security data with this right-wing conspiracy group. And the DOJ admits that. By the way, that's not speculation. The DOJ admitted that, yeah, he did this, and we know it's illegal. But don't worry, the DOJ says, we've launched a Hatch Act investigation. We're going to see if they violated the law saying you can't engage in politics from official government computers and government time using government resources. Yeah, that's not so much what this is about, DOJ. You kind of missed the mark on that. This is about literally stealing files from the federal government. That's what it is. This is theft. This is breach of trust. It is breach of contract. I mean, a good lawyer could probably bring these people up on espionage charges if they wanted to. When the Democrats, if the Democrats take back the House of Representatives after the midterms, these little idiots from DOGE, every one of them, every single one of them, needs to be hauled in front of an oversight committee hearing and forced to testify under oath about this. Did you access the data? Did you share the data? What did you do with the data? Why'd you defy a court order? That's illegal, by the way. But we need to get to the bottom of this criminally. This lawsuit that's been filed is a civil lawsuit. These kids aren't going to go to jail for this. But if what is being alleged in this lawsuit is true, then they absolutely should be headed to prison. And Democrats in the House of Representatives could help make that happen. Thanks for watching, and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do so, and do not forget to like and comment and share widely among your friends.